Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2 Minutes Parsha. Recently, I've had a couple of people presenting me scenarios in which someone is presented with a mitzvah so difficult, so personally challenging, that the question is, can you really expect such a person to keep a mitzvah in that situation? What would you advise them when it seems that this mitzvah would cost them their happiness, their security, or some other thing? Would you really expect someone to keep a mitzvah in that situation? And while I was thinking about this question, I saw the Ishbitzer Rebbe, Rabbi Mordechai Yosef Leiner's comment to the Parsha of Eikev, where he points out that the Parsha begins by saying, Eikev tishmuna mishpatim ha'eleh, because you will listen to all of these mitzvot, v'shmartem ha'asidim lotam, and you will keep them, you will fulfill them, v'shamar lecha Hashem lokecha et habrit v'et ha'chesed asher nishba lavotecha. Hashem your God will keep the covenant and the kindness that He has sworn to your forefathers. The Ishbitzer says the link between these ideas, listening to the mitzvot, keeping them, and Hashem keeping the covenant, is that he says, it's a famous idea, I've heard it before, but if you commit yourself to the word of Hashem, then Hashem commits that you will have the wherewithal to fulfill His word. In other words, any time that you are presented with a very difficult mitzvah, if you embrace that mitzvah, then Hashem will give you that ability to fulfill it. Ultimately, you will be given the strength to deal with whatever challenges on the way. That's what it means, Eikev tishmun. If you will really listen, if you will take it in, if you will say, Hashem, I'm here to do as much as I can, I'm here to do what I can, I'm here in your service, Hashem, then you will be able to fulfill and keep the mitzvot, and Hashem in turn will keep the covenant and the kindness. So when it comes to a really practical situation and how does a person deal with that, of course maybe you have to look at those one by one, but the general rule is that if you commit yourself to the word of Hashem, Hashem Himself will provide you with the wherewithal to do it. Shabbat Shalom.